Hello everyone, welcome to Ajay Learnings. In this video, we're going to see how to export every page in a PDF to image in UiPath. And let me show you the PDF first. The PDF here is this one. Uh, it consists of 8 pages, so we are going to make this as 8 images here. This is the first page as one image, the second page as second image, and we're going to split this particular uh, pages into images. So let's get started with this in the UiPath Studio. Before making this workflow, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you have any comments, mention them in the comment section below. And let's get started with our video today. So the first thing that we need to do is you need to install the PDF activities first, and then search for extract PDF page, extract not images from PDFs, extract PDF page. So let me type this as PDF, so you can get all the PDF activities which are there here. Export PDF page as image. Here if we take this file path as the input file, here we have the input file name and the output file name. If it has any password, then you need to provide your password over here, and the page number that we are going to write the page number here. So what I will give the output is, let me copy this particular path over here. I had a PDF images folder, so let me copy this path and let me paste it over here, and here I need to concat with, let me save this as one.jpg as we are doing it for first page. So let me quickly run this and see whether it is giving me as image output or not. Later on we will see how we can extract all the images from that particular PDF. So here you can see the one.jpg. It's the image file, but we have only we got only a single page, as this page number input doesn't take two values, or it doesn't accept any array of values, so we need to take one at a time. So this is the first page, jpg, one.jpg. So now what we need to do is we need to take a do while loop for extracting all the images from this particular PDF. Let me take a do while over here, and what I need is I need a counter for this particular PDF, which will be first what I need to know is how many pages are there in this particular PDF. So first I need to get this particular PDF page count. So I will use an activity called PDF page count, get PDF page count. So that I need to do before this do while loop. So I need to give the input as the input file path over here, and then I need to provide, if there is any password, provide it over here, and I need to provide the output variable, which I call it as count. So this is the count. So this is the overall count of this particular PDF, which is 8. So when I am going into this loop, this will make it as 1, the page number 1. So I need to pass here the count. So firstly it will take it as 8, and then it will convert it only the 8th page. So what I need to do is I need to decrement this particular count value. So I will make a count, and then I will take the count -1. So it will decrease the count value by -1, and it will take the count as 7. So it will export the PDF page, 7th page, as an image, and then later on it will 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and then the count value will be 0. So in order to pass this particular condition, what we need to mention over here is, if the count value is equal to 0, then we need to stop this particular process, right? And let me save this, and let me also drag a message box over here to see whether after completing all the process. Okay, so this is what we done to extract all pages in the PDF file. First we got the count from the particular PDF, and then we exported every page in the PDF and giving the input page number as the count of this particular page count, and then we are decrementing the count value by 1, so it will be 7 next time when this looping over to this one. So it will be 7, and then it will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got all the pages covered, right? So first let me run this and check whether it is working fine or not. So the execution is started, and the process is completed now. So let me quickly go back and check whether the PDF files are present in this particular folder. No, right? And let us check it is not only a single PDF is present over there, because the path we have given, the output file path, is not dynamic, it is a constant value, right? So we need to change this particular path. So the output path will be here. We need to pass the count value, so let us give it as plus, and then count. Here we don't need to make it as 1. So let's see the error. It is telling us the string to double, so let us give it as toString, so it will be okay. And then now we will run and see again whether all the pages have exported or not. The process is started and it is extracting, and the process is completed now. So now we will check this. You can see the 8 pages here or here, the 8 pages that have taken in this particular PDF. So the last one will be the invoice, and the 7th one will be the resume. So here the 8th one is invoice and the 7th one is resume, and these are the other pages. So this is how we can actually extract all the PDF pages as images. And this is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.